Romney has profited millions from the abortion industry, and I'm going to tell you how. Hi, my name is Dawn Meifert, and this is our very first edition of Here's the Deal. Okay, so have you ever heard of a company named Stericycle? Probably not. Stericycle. Stericycle is a medical waste disposal company, which is a really nice name for a company that disposes of aborted fetuses. So Mitt Romney and his company made a $75 million investment in Stericycle in November of 1999. Now, this is really important because Mitt and all of his cronies at Bain say that he left Bain in February of 1999. However, it has come to light through a lot of diligent research, not on my part, but on the part of people like ABC News and the IRS and various other governmental sites, that Mitt Romney and his partners signed a schedule with the SEC, which is the Securities and Exchange Commission, and it's a Schedule 13D, which lists the owners of a publicly traded company. So there were 4 companies that invested in Stericycle. All 4 companies were Bain, derivatives of Bain, or offshoots of Bain, which in that documentation, and I'm going to read this to you verbatim, the SEC filing notes that Romney was the sole shareholder, the sole chairman, chief executive officer, and president. So I think that Mitt Romney really likes his titles. I think that he really likes to seem very, very important. He is an important guy in his world. He likes all of the titles. He likes the responsibility. He likes the visibility. He just doesn't want to be held accountable for participating in nefarious acts that shine negatively on who he is today as a presidential candidate. So if you've got the time, Google Stericycle plus Mitt Romney. You can see for yourself $75 million investment in a medical waste disposal company, which is basically taking care of aborted fetuses. Mitt Romney profited from this in a very, very big way. He divested of his interest before he became governor of Massachusetts, but all of his SEC filings prove that he indeed was the person signing the actual documentation for this filing. $75 million investment, Stericycle. Tomorrow we're going to talk about the words passive and active and what that means to Mitt Romney's tax returns and why that's important to me and you. I'm Dawn Meifert. Thanks so much for joining me on Here's the Deal.